just wanted to do a quick video this evening. I have joined the 9-Line Apparel Patriots Club and I've received my box. And just wanted to show everybody what we got. It's this T-shirt of the month club. This T-shirt, show you the front first with the 9-Line logo. We got 9-Line also on the sleeve. And then we got the back of the shirt. Hold that up for everybody to see. It says, American Revolution. The world will know that free men stood against tyrant. 1776. Also, we have in the box a 9-Line Patriots Club koozie. It says 9 Lines Patriots Club on both sides, and on the bottom has 9-Line Apparel. See, also in the box we have a sticker that says 9-Line Apparel Patriots Club. And we got a couple ads for discounts off of this is some kick-ass beef jerky. 15% off with the Patriots Club discount code. And then we got our card in here that tells a little background on the t-shirt design. Again, American Revolution, the world will know that free men stood against a tyrant, 1776. Then on the back it says, among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Thomas Jefferson writes, each man is endowed with these basic rights and that they can't be taken away. The Declaration of Independence justifies colonial separation from Great Britain by claiming King George III prevents the colonists from fulfilling their rights, making him an unfit ruler. All right. Well, I thank everybody for joining me today. Again, this is the 9-Line Patriots Club. And if you will like, share, subscribe to my videos. We're going to switch up some things and do a few things differently.